Question 3 is 3 marks. It says show that 2 and 1/4 times 1 and 5/7 is equal to 3 and 6/7. 6/7. To do this, I'll first multiply here and add there. Multiply here and add there. Now what's 2 times 4? It's 8 plus 1 is 9, so it's 9/4 times 1 times 7 is 7 plus 5 is 12/7. We don't change the denominator, always keep the same denominator. And now that's equals, we can divide 4 by 4, it's 1, 12 by 4 is 3, and then multiply. 9 times 3 is 27, 1 times 7 is 7. So how many times 7 goes into 27? It goes 3 times, which is 21. What's the leftover? 6, 7. And that's your final answer. And that's your 3 marks. Yep, see the 3 marks. Now let's look at this probability. Nice.